I tried one of these, the acid rain remover. Useless. Useless. Hi guys, welcome back. So, medyo natagalan before I had the time to actually be doing this. Medyo, kailan pa ba kami pumunta ng Japan? I think it was 4 months ago when I bought these products there. You remember when I went to the Autobox store? I'll post the link here. Ito yung nakita ko kasi one of my problems with our Lexus, this is 2011, so medyo matanda na siya. And ang hindi namin maiwasan is, if you notice, ito yung sa glass niya. May mga acid. Parang acid build-up na yata or whatever, corrosion sa glass. Kasi hindi na siya, may mga stains na siya, may mga stains. So, we tried to buy one of these. I don't wanna show the brand. I tried one of these, the acid rain remover. Useless. Useless. Pahid ka, supposedly, papahid mo, tapos kuha ka ng damp cloth, pahid mo ulit. So you can only work in one area kasi very corrosive siya. Hindi ko pa nabasa na ganun siya ka-corrosive kasi pag titingnan mo, asin, sa tingin naman kahit na naman matino yung eyesight mo, hindi mo mababasa sa liit eh. I found out is the cloth I was using when I had to do something, iniwan ko dun sa glass table namin sa loob ng bahay. Nung pagkuha ko, it ruined the coating in the glass. Kaya sorry, nasira ko yung glass. At no matter what I do, hindi na. So, now we're going to be trying out this because according to Glaco, this one will clean and prepare your glass for the Ultra Glaco. Ito yung parang, ano yan? Yung parang, the one that will make the water streak off your glass. Pero before you can apply this, you have to make sure your glass is clean, so you have to use this. Ito, meron siyang, sige, let's open this already para sabay na natin makita. Ngayon ko lang rin ito makikita. So, tama ba ito? So, there's a cap. Naka-screw on yung cap eh. So, this is the applicator. The liquid will come from here. Tapos ito, meron siya parang, it's more like a polishing cloth eh. So that you will use to actually clean this. Tapos, pag na-apply mo na, you use water to rinse it off. No? So, hopefully nga, malilinis nito yung, kasi kung makikita mo rin dito, yan, no? may streak na stains kasi coming from the spoiler, yung water dito mag-streak, tapos palagi kung saan, yan, makikita mo may line eh. Kahit anong linis ko, hindi na matanggal yan. So hopefully this will try to take it off. So let's try it on. So supposedly you press in, ayan no, and then you buff it out. Yan lang ang problema natin. Hindi natin maaabot yung nasa loob ng spoiler. But let's see if this is actually going to work. Yan lang, may sticker pala tayo dito. Yan. So, para siyang pwede kaya siya matanggal? Ayun, pwede matanggal. So, kung pwede matanggal, yan. Masisiksik ko yung kamay ko doon sa loob. Okay, so let's do that. Hindi mo matanggal. Before you put it back. Okay, so we buff it. We buff. I hope it's safe for the paint. Okay, based on the video sa YouTube ng Glaco, all you have to do is use your hand lang to rinse it off. Hands lang eh, ginamit ko. Hands and water lang. But if you guys notice anything, we haven't really put the Ultra Glaco yet. We just put on the polish. Yung polish pa lang. Wala nang beading, oh. Galing, oh. Doon sa taas na hindi masyado inabot ng buffing, may beading, oh. Look. Oh, doon sa taas, nagbibid. Dito sa baba, wala. These Japanese guys know what they're doing, huh? Okay, so according naman now, the next step is to protect this, you have to put in the Ultra Glaco. Para siyang, I guess, para siya yung sa kotse, yung ceramic coating. Parang kutob ko yun eh. It's to make sure to keep this clean. Yeah, it's much cleaner now. Let's wipe it down lang. Pero, hindi siya ganun kadali ah. Kaya pinapawisan ako. Medyo madiin kasi kailangan sa nakakangawit. May exercise ni Mr. Miyagi sa Karate Kid, yung wax on, wax off. Kakangawit siya. Kinakabahan na nga ako eh kung naloko na naman ako because dun sa acid remover, feeling ko nabudol lang ako eh because it really didn't work at all eh. Kala ko ganun kadali dahil sa videos nila eh. Parang, tanggal ka agad. Dito, walang nangyari at all. But this one, mas may work lang because you need to really work on the polish. Yung parang buffing, the buffing pad. Pero, it works. Okay, let's do a close-up after I wipe this. Ayan you can still see a feint of the line eh. Kung dating line eh. Ayan, you can kung hahanapin mo, makikita mo eh. Meron konting-konti. Ayan dito. Yan. You can see there's a little eh. Pero tinan mo yan sa ilalim. Ito, kumonti itong area na to. Pero ayan, makikita mo may konti pa rin. Ayan, yung mga stain dyan sa left side, meron pa rin eh. But nabawasan eh. Kanina parang mas dark. Kung talagang titirahin mo ng buffing, makukuha to eh. Yun lang. Nakakangawit siya. If you wanna really work on this, medyo nakakangawit. But yeah, it works. Yung sunroof nito ang medyo malala eh. So hopefully yun yung gusto kong talagang if pag sumilip ka makikita mo may mga watermarks from the inside eh. Let me see if I can show it to you. Ayan See all those watermarks? Yan daming watermarks Kasi bubong eh. Hopefully, pag malinis, tapos try ko iulitin, mag-video ulit. Let me do the sunroof. Tapos, I'll do an after shot also. Hopefully, nabawasan. Okay? Tabi ko lang muna tong camera. Ayan may konti pa rin you can see. May konti pa rin mga watermarks pero laking difference naman. Let's go wider. Less significantly less yung water stain dito sa sunroof. May konti pa rin pero okay naman ang difference. Okay, so this is dry. We're now going to apply the sealant. By the way, this one is 1,000. Nakasale to, alam ko when I went there. It's 1,200. So mga 1,200 is roughly 500 pesos. 480 pesos for this. So let's apply this. Ito naman, i-apply mo daw. Wait 5 to 10 minutes pag natuyo. Tapos use a damp cloth to wipe it down. Okay, so move this. Oh, pareho sila ng applicator, oh. Amoy alcohol, eh. Pero ganun pa rin yung problema ko. Same problem. Hindi ko maabot yun na sa loob. Let's finish this application first. Maabot. Oh, I guess hindi natin. Hindi pwede kayo. So that's good. So 5 minutes. And then we'll wipe it down with the damp cloth. And then let's do the water hostess. Sadly, I cannot make the water beading test because according to the instruction to let it keep dry after wiping it down for at least 12 hours. So I'll just make another video, baka shorts na lang to check how well this one works. But it looks a lot cleaner. Pero may konti pa rin talaga yung mga acid mark stains, eh. But it wasn't as bad. So, there you go, guys. That's the Glaco polishing or cleanser and Ultra Glaco chemical liquid super wiper. Ito yung nakasulat. So, I guess this is parang to make water just streak out of your glass. So, there you go. So, effective. It did what it said it would do. But I was expecting it to be better, pero hindi rin, eh. Sa tingin ko, sobrang lala na lang talaga nung mga stains, eh. So if you guys have glass stains on your car na hindi ganito pa kalala, you're talking about this is a 12, 13-year-old car, so medyo malala na yung stain, never pa to yata na buff. It actually does work. It does work. So, yung mga stains, yung sabi ko sa iyo, di ba yung linya, ayan, mas hindi na halata unless talagang tinutukan mo masyado. Kanina talagang kitang-kita mo yung linya. Ngayon, it's there. Dito banda lalo na kita pa, pero doon mas nawala. So, it does work. It does work. So, but I'm presuming if your car is not as heavily stained as this, you'll probably get a better result. So, definitely if you're going to be spending money, I'd rather just buy this than kala mo yung mas mura ng mga acid remover sa Lazada, TikTok, YouTube ko yata, or sa Facebook ko nakita. Mukhang hindi effective yun, eh. Pero, I don't know. I'm not talking about the whole thing, but based on my experience on that one I bought, I don't think it's as effective. This one, nakita nyo kanina, we're just using the rubbing compound or the polisher part. It was already streaking. Hindi pa natin kinalagay ito. So, I have high expectation that this will actually work as advertised. So, kung ako sa inyo, imbis na makatipid ka nga ng konti doon, dito ka na, trusted. Plus, I think I trust the Japanese more na hindi sila maglalabas ng product kung talaga hindi gumagana. So guys, thank you. I will now be finishing the rest of the car. And if you want to see more of my reviews, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.